Orano Joint Venture, Pro One Offensive, Women's STEM All-Stars. All right now on Stellantis Spotlight. Stellantis and nuclear energy company Orano announced a joint venture for recycling end-of-life electric vehicle batteries and scrap from gigafactories in enlarged Europe and North America. The joint venture capitalizes on Orano's innovative low-carbon technology, closing the loop of a circular economy and strengthening our position in the electric vehicle battery value chain by securing additional access to materials necessary for electrification and energy transition. The company has launched an enhanced strategic offensive for our commercial vehicles business, named Pro One. Pro One encompasses professional offerings from 6 iconic Stellantis brands: Citroën, Fiat, Opel, Peugeot, Ram, and Vauxhall in the van, pickup truck, and micro-mobility segments. As part of the Pro One launch, a fully renewed van lineup for each brand will be revealed, and the North America product lineup will be reinvigorated with upcoming electrified vans and pickups, including the Ram ProMaster EV and 2025 Ram 1500 REV. And finally, 5 Stellantis women were recently honored at the annual Women of Color STEM Conference for their significant career, technical, and community achievements in their fields. Chiny Farrell and Xenia Yi both received Top Women in Finance awards, and Priya Nataraj, Sulban Park, and Natalie Ward all received Technology Rising Star Awards for their outstanding performance early on in their careers. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight. Reporting for Stellantis Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia.